How to fix Snapchat My Eyes Only Not Loading. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat app. Your camera will open up. Now at the top left corner you can find your avatar. Click on it. With that you will land to the profile page. Now at the top right corner you will find the settings icon. Click on it. Now scroll down. Over here you're gonna find different sections. Head towards the option of clear data. Under that you're gonna find different options. At the very bottom you'll see the option of clear cache. Click on it. All of your caches will be cleared and Snapchat will restart. Your memories backup won't be deleted. Click on clear. Clearing cache. Wait for a few seconds. Click on OK. Heading towards next solution, make sure you have stable internet connection. For that, open your settings. You can switch the network. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular data. In the case you are using cellular data, switch to Wi-Fi. Likewise, scroll down, open the option General. Head towards the option of iPhone storage. Find the app Snapchat. Once you find it, open it. Now click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. After you offload the app, click on Reinstall app. After completion of reinstallation process, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Snapchat My Eyes Only Not Loading. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.